In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track every type of phone call in Google Ads. This tutorial will guide you through each of the steps needed to set up call tracking, ensuring you can monitor how effective your ads are at driving phone conversations. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to head over to the Google Ads website. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. This is essential because you need to access your account to set up call tracking. Simply type in the URL or search for Google Ads in your browser and click on the official link. Once you're on the landing page, look on the top right corner and click on Sign In. Please ensure that you use the correct account associated with your ads, as it will direct you to your Google Ads home. Once you've signed in, you're taken to your Google Ads homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Goals section, which is crucial for tracking your business objectives through Google Ads. Simply look for the Goals option in the navigation menu. Clicking on this will route you to another page where you'll start setting up your tracking mechanisms. After accessing the Goals section, your next stop is Conversions. Conversions are incredibly important, especially for tracking actionable outcomes like phone calls. Click on Conversions to access your conversion actions. Now, this will likely bring up a list of any existing conversion actions you may have, or it might be empty if you're just starting out. From here, you want to continue by clicking on the option labeled New Conversion Action. By clicking this, you're telling Google Ads you want to start tracking a new type of conversion, in this case phone calls. Once in this new conversion action window, you'll see several choices for tracking different types of actions. What we're interested in is tracking phone calls. Click on the option that says phone calls to proceed. Tracking phone calls is particularly valuable as it allows you to see which ads or campaigns are delivering the highest call volumes, which can give insights into customer behavior and ad effectiveness. At this point, Google Ads will offer different types of phone call conversions you can track. These might include calls from ads, calls from a phone number on your site, or even calls to a phone number on your site. Select the appropriate option based on your needs, and just like that, you've set up phone call tracking in Google Ads. Now, once these actions are complete, you'll finally have the ability to monitor how your ads perform in driving phone interactions with potential customers. Remember, keeping track of this data is vital to optimizing your ads and ensuring you're getting the best return on your investment. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy tracking!